Ledn Investing Service Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think crypto investing is risky and complicated, but you won't believe what happens next when a platform offers both earning interest and borrowing against digital assets safely. Ledn is a crypto-focused financial platform that provides interest-earning accounts, crypto-backed loans, and Bitcoin savings solutions. Users can deposit Bitcoin, stablecoins, or US dollars to earn competitive yields while maintaining control of their assets. The surprising truth about Ledn is that it combines security with financial flexibility. Funds are stored in cold storage wallets, and accounts include features like two-factor authentication and proof of reserves verification to ensure safety. Most people get this wrong. They assume crypto interest accounts are unregulated or unsafe. Ledn complies with international standards and partners with regulated institutions, reducing risk compared to other platforms. Ledn also allows users to borrow against their crypto holdings without selling them, providing liquidity while still benefiting from potential price appreciation. This can be useful for leveraging investments, paying bills, or managing cash flow. Ledn is best for crypto investors who want to earn interest, take loans against digital assets, and maintain secure, transparent control over their funds. The surprising truth is that with proper understanding of risk and market volatility, Ledn can be a productive part of your crypto investment strategy. Subscribe for more honest crypto and investment reviews that help you make informed financial decisions.